In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a loan on Credit Karma with this easy walkthrough. First things first, let's get started by heading over to the Intuit Credit Karma website. You can do this by simply typing Credit Karma in your web browser's address bar or using a search engine to find their homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the section titled Personal Loans. It's usually easy to spot in the main navigation menu. Just give it a click to continue. Now that you're in the personal loans area, you'll see options that allow you to specify what you're looking for in a loan. Whether you're interested in consolidating debt, making a large purchase, or any other reason, you'll need to select the category that best matches your needs. Take a moment to consider your purpose for borrowing, then select the appropriate option to proceed. Once you have chosen your loan purpose, a prompt will likely appear asking you how much you wish to borrow. It's important to be realistic and precise here, as this number will guide the offers you receive. Enter the desired loan amount, keeping in mind your ability to repay within the terms you'll eventually choose. Next, the site will request information about your credit score. This is crucial because it helps determine which loan offers are suitable for you. If you're unsure about your credit score, you might want to check it first to ensure you're providing an accurate estimate. After entering your credit score, you're ready to hit that search button. Once you click search, you may need to scroll down a bit to view the various lender options that match your criteria. You'll see a list of lenders that are available to you, each with different terms and conditions. Here you'll want to take your time and read through the details. Click on See Details, Rates and Fees for a closer look at each offer. For a more precise quote on what loan terms you might receive, click on Check Your Rate. It's important to note that this is a soft credit check, meaning it won't impact your credit score, so don't hold back if you want an accurate assessment. If you find an offer that suits your needs, it's time to log into your Credit Karma account and follow through with the application process. This involves submitting your personal and financial information as required by the lender. Once you're done, and if your application is approved, you will need to sign the loan agreement. After that, you can typically expect to receive your funds within a few business days. And just like that, you've gone through the process of applying for a loan on Credit Karma. Thanks for following along and good luck with your application. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more informative content.